In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your company logo to Salesforce. Whether you're customizing your Salesforce environment for a more personalized feel or brand consistency, adding your company logo can make a big difference. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. This is a necessary step to access all the features and settings you need to customize the look and feel of your Salesforce environment. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the theme settings, as sometimes these features are restricted to administrators. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate to the Setup page. In the top right corner of your interface, you'll find a gear icon. Click it and select Setup. This area is where you can control most of the customization options in Salesforce. In the search bar at the top of this page, type Themes and Branding. This will lead you to the option to manage your themes, which includes customizing them with your logo. Next, click on New Theme. This is where you get to start crafting the look of your company's Salesforce environment. Here, you'll be prompted to enter both a theme name and an API name. The theme name is the label that will help you easily identify your theme later, while the API name is automatically populated based on your theme name. It's a good idea to use a name that clearly reflects your company's branding efforts for easy reference. After filling in the names, the next tab to head over to is Images. This is where the magic happens. Click on this tab and you will find the option to upload images. Click on Choose File. A file picker dialog box will open, allowing you to select your company logo file from your computer. Accepted file formats include JPG, PNG, and a few others, so make sure your logo is saved in one of these formats for a seamless upload. Once you've selected your file, all that's left to do is click Save. This finalizes the upload process, and your logo will now be incorporated into the Salesforce theme you've just created. If necessary, you can adjust and apply this theme to see how it looks live within your Salesforce environment. And there you have it. Your company logo should now be successfully uploaded and incorporated into your Salesforce theme, giving a personalized touch to your Salesforce interface. By following these steps, you're not just uploading a logo, but enhancing your team's experience by infusing a bit of your company's identity into the tools you use daily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to get more helpful guides like this one.